Good morning from... Where am I today? Nuwara. Nuwara, LA. Oh man, it got so cold last night. It was just like, I think 9 o'clock when we went to sleep, and I was just wearing my usual night set, and then I wore another t-shirt, then I wore like a pullover which Sagar was wearing throughout the day, and then I wore pants as well, like full-length pants, and then I wore socks as well. So it was just getting cold. Oh my god. Anyway, I am so glad that it's sunny today. You see, this is how Nuwara, LA is supposed to look like. A nice little Indian in Sri Lanka. Feels nice. I just wish I could have some of the sun rays on me right now. Never thought I would say this in Sri Lanka though. Anyhow, we are quickly gonna like freshen up and we're gonna leave for Ella tonight. Today morning, sorry. So obviously, like every morning we're supposed to check the oil of our tuk-tuk, and that's what we are doing yet again. क्या हो रहा है? नहीं खुल रहा है? नीचे का खोला?
यही है।
Just be careful with the grease.
Yeah, there is always grease. कल पूरा वो चढ़ा है ना अपन ने सेकंड गियर पे, तो ऑयल ज़्यादा खाता है, तो कम हो गया, थोड़ा सा
कम हुआ है ना?
बट ठीक है।
So थोड़ा कम हुआ है. So I think it's fine, but maybe at the next petrol pump maybe we'll... No? Yeah. Okay, cool. Oh my god, these views are such crazy views. It's so lovely. Something to do with Pedro. Anyway, we are going towards a coffee place here. This is Ceylon Coffee Estate. We don't know if this is a coffee estate or a tea estate. Let's see. Let's go. Oh, I got the bird. Very time consuming. No leaf. No. This is the place. Okay. Right?
Okay.
There's a road upward. We are going that. If you can stay for 1 hour in our factory, so we can give you a package. Okay?
I don't think we can wait. We have to reach Ella actually.
Okay. Are you going to Arugapre or Mirissa?
Mirissa we're going. Mirissa.
Okay. What time is
They have it at Arungbe. Haan, yeah, Aurangabad they have. Okay,
Okay.
we'll take it from there.
And Mirissa also you have.
yes, Mirissa also I can arrange you a delivery.
Okay.
You can get the exact date when you are in this.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you very
Thanks.
much. Okay, great night.
Alright. Bye.
Sagar is very disappointed.
No, I'm sort of glad कि अपने घर पे आए.
Yeah, we came all the way till here, but because of some medical emergency, the factory is closed, and the lab is also shut. Lab is where they actually show us the whole coffee process for like coffee lovers like us. And the guy was really sweet, trying to arrange some coffee packets for us, because even Priyanka asked that she wants to get one, and even we want to take one. And this was the only best coffee of Nuwara and in Sri Lanka that we've loved, and we want to take one back, but unfortunately that is not happening for now. But let's see, if the universe wants it, it will happen. Okay, we had the best strawberry ice cream, and like legit, it was the best. See, I've been telling him since morning.
But you didn't tell me कि उधर ice cream homemade होने वाला है.
ये मुझे भी नहीं पता था, मुझे बाद में पता चला. But you guys should definitely come. Milia Cafe Milia, and he just like so we've got our luggage in the tuk-tuk, so he offered to like look after it while we could have our breakfast. And we met a really nice family, actually 2 girls and like a couple, and we all like had a nice strawberry breakfast with ice cream early in the morning at 9 o'clock, which was really cool. Anyway, now he's told us to go here, which is the Sita temple, Sita Ram temple, I think. Sita temple. I don't think I've ever been to a Sita temple, so yeah, let's just go and check this out. This actually looks so much like India somehow. I mean, this part of it, the terrain. Is it also the Hanuman Mandir?
No, I think this has different elements.
Sita Aman Kovila.
No, that's the food.
So we've reached Ella, or as they call it, Ella. Yeah. So I just found this like place on booking.com, which is the Happy Laugh place, which is almost like 2 kilometers away from the city, like main city, and it's right like in the jungle. And this is something of a vibe that we both like it. And we've got like visitors. Actually, they've become our pets now, it seems like that. But yeah, this is the view of the homestay, you can call it. There's like many other rooms, and you can see like all the rice fields from here. You could also hear the train coming in, the noise of the train coming in on the 9 Arch Bridge, like just freshening up in a bit, and then we're gonna go visit the viewpoint of the 9 Arch Bridge today. Let's see. But yeah, I mean, the stay here is so peaceful. I love it already. Hi, do you wanna come say hi? Come say hi. Do you wanna come say hi? Hi. Yeah, that's rude. Say hi. Hi to everyone who's watching Forum's channel. Hi. Yeah. Anyway, it's so peaceful and quiet, and this costed us like about maybe 3,500 rupees, I think, which is a steal, I think, and something of your vibe if you honestly love it. I'm just gonna quickly show you what our room looks like. This is our room. It's nothing fancy, just it's nothing fancy, just get out of my frame. Nothing fancy, and you showed me the fanciest. Yeah, it's nothing fancy, but it's a nice cozy room. Yeah, we've got like a nice mirror and everything, like a study situation, and there's a bed, there's a drying area. Nothing too fancy. We've got like a chair and stuff. And there's a washroom which is pretty spacious too, and clean. Yeah, I think I like it. How was the shower?
Nice and cold.
Cold?
Yeah.
You wanted hot? So yeah, anyway, that's for this room. Now let's get the day started. We're literally staying in the nature. Like, look at these bamboo trees, they're so thick. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the property quickly. Chalo Kiki. We're first gonna eat something, and then we'll go for the 9 Arch view. भागी इधर से. It's like they've become our pets now. This is the common area, I think. Like we can chill. I don't know what that structure is. Like something. Wait, I just climbed the mountain. But yeah, you can maybe sit here and chill. This place has a nice vibe to it. Bye. See you in a bit.